A jury has awarded a $200 million verdict to the family of a little boy who died in a horrific boating accident.
Consumer reporter Susan Hogan first told us about this story back in 2017 as an update on a consumer investigation you will only see on News 4.
Well, that's right. The Florida family and their lawyers are calling this verdict a major victory, but it's bittersweet, of course, because no amount of money could ever bring their son back.
There's no money that I am just grateful about the message that it sent, and also grateful that it will afford me the opportunity to do some of the good works that I want to do to honor Ryan.
When 7-year-old Ryan died, Meg started a foundation called Little Hugs to honor her sweet boy. And she's also hoping the verdict sends a strong message to the boating industry. A Georgia jury found Malibu Boats liable for failing to warn of a hazard posed by its 2000 Malibu Response LX, a boat that 7-year-old Ryan Batchelder and his family were riding in the summer of 2014 on a lake in Georgia. The family believes the boat's open bow design was defective and dangerous because its low bow caused it to be very susceptible to swamping. Ryan was swept into the water when the bow became filled with water. He was struck by the propeller and suffered fatal injuries.
I just know that there's a purpose for all of this that's bigger than this.
There may be. The trial brought to light the lack of government oversight when it comes to the boating industry, which is largely self-regulated, according to the family's attorney.
My personal hope is that this case takes the boating industry to the next level of safety so that the safety of boats will be comparable to motor vehicles.
The lawsuit claimed Malibu's own employees repeatedly experienced water coming over the bow when testing the boat's design. But despite knowing the risks, the family claims the company never provided warnings to users.
No question this is a wake-up call for the industry. The seat of the pants, modifications and changes to products like a boat that affect, your safety and the safety of your family, they can't do that.
The jury did find the driver of the boat in Ryan's case 75% at fault, which reduces Malibu's exposure to the damages regarding the full value of Ryan's life and his pain and suffering. But the company will be liable for the entire amount of the $120 million in punitive damages. News 4 reached out to Malibu Boats for a comment. We haven't heard back from them yet. However, in a filing to the company's stockholders, it said they strongly disagree with the verdict and judgment, and Malibu intends to file post-trial motions. I'm Susan Hogan, News 4.
And to see Susan's original exclusive reporting on this case, go to NBCWashington.com/responds.